Hello, in this video we're going to be creating a live sketch filter with OpenCV, and we're going to be using Jupyter Notebook this time. So first things first, if you don't have Anaconda installed, I'll leave a link in the description below where you can download it. And once you download it, you want to open it, and we want to create a virtual environment. So I'll leave the commands in the description below. So what you want to do is copy the first command up here. And before that, we probably want to give it a different name. So I'll name it live sketch. And then we can just copy the first line and go to Anaconda prompt and paste it in and press enter. And this will take a bit. And once you get to the screen, you just want to type in Y and press enter. Alright, so once you get to the screen, all you need to do to get into the virtual environment is type in conda activate live sketch. And you'll lure in once it shows live sketch in the parentheses on the left. So we're going to be using Jupyter Lab, and to install that, all you need to type in is pip install Jupyter Lab. Alright, so it might take a couple minutes for you, but once you have it installed, you need to install a couple other packages. And to do that, all you need to do is copy the commands right here and paste them in. Alright, next we're going to need OpenCV. Last, we need TensorFlow, and we'll be using TensorFlow 2. And this will take. Alright, and once it's done, to open Jupyter Lab, all we need to do is type in Python -m and then Jupyter. But also something we're going to need is, I left a link in the description below for the IPYNB notebook, and I do want to give credit to the person who created it. I did not make the code, so I'll leave his name and credit for him in the description below, and I'll leave a link to go check him out on Udemy. Alright, so we want to upload it, and to do that, all we need to do is press upload files, and if you download it, it'll be in your downloads. And it will be this right here. Just over right here. And then once it's uploaded, you can double click on it here. And to run each section, all you need to do is press the run selected cells. So you can press it here. And then you can just press it again. And it'll show the version of OpenCV, and in 1 second it should open up a frame, and there's a frame right here, so you can see me, you can see the background behind me as well, and I'm just using a regular Logitech webcam, and yeah, so that's pretty much it. And if you want to exit out of the frame, all you need to do is press enter, and there you go. So that's a pretty simple tutorial on how to get started with Jupyter Lab and getting started with some OpenCV. So make sure to check out my previous video, which I'll also link in the description below, which I worked also on OpenCV, and we did some lane detection there. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching.